Alright guys, today we got a simple and easy baked chicken wings with broccolette and red curry squash. Let's go ahead and grease a foil lined sheet with avocado oil. We're going to be using some leftover red curry squash from our previous video. In a bag, we're going to add 1/3 cup of gluten-free flour, 1½ tablespoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of rosemary, and 1 teaspoon of thyme. Now you're going to take that bag and you're going to shake it up. Take all your wings and add them to the bag with the mixed ingredients, and make sure you shake the bag thoroughly to get all the wings coated nice and evenly. Place the wings on a baking sheet and make sure that they're not touching each other. Next, make sure you preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Go ahead and place them in the oven, and we're going to wait for 35 minutes before they're done. We're going to chop up some broccolette into 1-inch pieces. We're going to take that broccolette, we're going to put it in a pot, we're going to add some water, and we're going to get ready to steam it. Ding! After 35 minutes, go ahead and take your wings out. And once the broccolette's done steaming, let's get ready to pile it on a plate. So now that we got all the ingredients on a plate, let's go ahead and add some hot sauce to the wings. We'll add some salt and pepper to the broccolette, and then we're going to give it a taste test and see how it turned out. It falls right off the bone.